Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up pills on customizable forms. A pill can be viewed as a procedure or action administered to the patient. When you add or select pills, you can associate them with a diagnosis, billing codes, and considerations. These details will then be automatically incorporated into the assessment, planning, and billing sections of the form upon selection. For the purpose of this video, we will start on a newly created examination form. For an in-depth explanation on how to set up your own form, please refer to the How to Build a Custom Eye Evaluation 2 Form user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the Toggle Mode button and click on the Add System button. A new panel will appear. Click on the panel to expand for more options. Click on the Add Section button. Click on a newly created section to expand once more and then click on the Add Pill button. The pill text field will appear where you can complete the name of the pill. After completing the name of the pill, click on the pill panel for more options. Suggestions are options that will be considered for each pill. Click on the Customize button to set up the suggestions for each pill. The Customize Suggestions screen will open. We will now take a look at the various fields and sections within this screen. Click on the Add button under the Consideration section. A new text field will become available where you are able to add a consideration for the pill. You may add as many considerations as you like. The primary objective of filling out consideration fields is to aid the practitioner in documenting relevant factors contributing to the patient's symptoms. For example, if the patient is experiencing hypertension, the patient may consider adopting a more healthy lifestyle, avoid certain foods, or losing weight. If you wish to remove a consideration, click on the Delete button. Please note that once the pill is actioned, the considerations that have been linked to the pill will appear in the Assessment, Planning, and Billing section of the form. Click on the Add button under the Diagnosis section. Click on the Diagnosis field to add ICD-10 codes that will be linked to the pill, which will reflect on the invoice, script, and other clinical documents. To delete any of the added diagnosis fields, simply click on the Delete button. Billing codes refers to the codes that are added automatically when a specific pill is selected. These codes will appear in the Line section of the Assessment, Planning, and Billing within this form. Default means the billing code added will only have a quantity of 1, no matter if actioned on either the primary section or a split section. Duplicate lines means that when both the components of a split section have been actioned, there will be 2 identical billing lines invoiced. Increased quantity means that when both the components of a split section have been actioned, there will be 1 billing line with a quantity of 2. Click on the relevant radio button to make a selection. Click on the billing code field to enter the desired billing code. To remove the added billing code, click on the Delete button. Script lines refer to the items that you wish to add to the medicine item section within the Assessment, Planning, and Billing panel of the form. Click on the Add button under the Script Line section. From here, complete the script line fields accordingly. Click on the Medicine field to add the desired item that you would like to prescribe when the pill is selected. Click on the Directions field to add the method of how the prescribed items need to be taken. Click on the Quantity field to enter the number of the total amount of items needed. Click on the Repeat field to add the number of times the item will repeat. To remove the added script line, click on the Delete button. A widget is a component of the pill that you can use to input data, make selections, or trigger actions on a specific pill where the widget has been set up. A widget may encompass various roles, such as a text or number field, drop-down menu, and so much more. Click on the Add Widget button, which will open the Add Widget screen. Click on the drop-down menu and make your selection. For more information regarding how the setup of the widget works, please refer to How to Set Up Widgets on Customizable Forms user manual, linked in this video's description. Once satisfied, click on the OK button. The widget will now be added to the pill.